Tired of that constant 100% disk usage? Don't worry, in today's video, I will show you guys how to fix 100% disk usage issue. Step 1. Windows Update, while essential, can sometimes cause high disk activity, especially during large updates or scans. Manually check for updates and install them selectively. Step 2. Superfetch and Prefetch. These services aim to improve performance but can sometimes lead to unnecessary disk activity. To open the Services Manager, click on Windows key plus R and type services.msc locate sysmain and stop the service. Step 3. Windows Search Indexing. The search indexer constantly scans your files, which can lead to high disk usage. Open the Services Manager and locate Windows Search and stop the service. Step 4. Malware and viruses. Malicious software can consume system resources, including disk usage. Use a reliable antivirus program to scan your system for malware. Step 5. Disk fragmentation. Fragmented files can slow down disk access and increase disk activity. Regularly use disk cleanup to remove unnecessary files. By following these steps, you can reclaim your system's performance and bid farewell to the dreaded 100% disk usage. Click on the link to know more on how to fix 100% disk usage.